What the heck is this? The smallest earbuds your money can buy? The newest earbuds from JLab, and I'm gonna unbox them for you. Tech it before you wreck it, I'm Kirk. This is the JLab JBuds Mini. Now they say these are the smallest earbuds you can buy out in the store right now. Listen, I don't have every earbud in the world. I can't confirm if this is in fact the smallest, but it's called mini, so they gotta be pretty small, right? And I like the idea of a smaller earbud that's a little bit more inconspicuous. So let's take this to the table and unbox the new JBuds Mini True Wireless Earbuds from JLab. There it is. The JLab JBuds Mini True Wireless Earbuds. They say these are the smallest earbuds your stinking money can buy at the store right now. We've got a set of them, so we're gonna unbox them for you so you can see what you get inside the box. Let's take a look at the box itself first. So JLab here, it looks like that must be the charging case on the outside here. Aqua is the color that we've got here. The smallest fit ever is how they describe these things. JBuds Mini True Wireless, connect to multiple devices, custom sound via app, and they say 20 plus hours of playtime. That's gonna be, of course, with the charging case and recharging those buds inside of the case. Hashtag your kind of tech. That's kind of cool. And on the sides, we get kind of a little diagram. That's very schematic-esque of them, of the JBuds, but kind of cool too. You get to see the actual size. It's showing you this is the actual size of the earbuds and the actual size of the charging case, which is kind of cool. On the back here, I don't even need to unbox it. It shows you everything inside right there. They're doing my job for me. But take a look, you can see all the stuff that's inside, the little tips for the earbuds, the charging cable, the charging case, 50% smaller case, and 30% smaller earbuds. Be aware mode for safe listening, which is kind of cool. Everyday proof of IP55, that's going to be waterproofing IP55. Connect to multiple devices with Bluetooth multipoint, customize with their app, and then noise canceling microphones for clear calls. So that's not noise canceling headphones, remember that. That just means the microphones noise cancel so that people can hear you when you're talking to them on the phone. It doesn't mean that the earphones themselves are noise canceling. So here we go. We've got a little seal there that we're going to break with the fingernail. Scratch that. I had to get the scissors. We got to break this properly. Man, I really need to buy a razor blade, don't I? There we go. Now that is not the proper way to open the box, but that's the way we do it here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. Let's get this open and see what these earbuds look like on the inside. All right, so it's all inside of this cardboard piece here. Gel cushion tips and quick start guide. So it's telling you, hey, that's what's down here. So that must be inside here. I thought maybe that would pull out, but that doesn't seem to pull out. Let's just open it from the back. There we go. That's the easiest way to get into all of this. Man, everything's sort of falling out as I open. And we've got a little instruction quick start guide. Nothing complicated there, as you can imagine. And then we've got a couple of different things here. There we go. I suppose there was probably an easier way to do that. We didn't do it. So that's a charging cable. It's going to be just a USB-C charging cable, a little tiny short one. Always nice to have the short ones because you get so many of the long cables, and sometimes you can use those short cables too. But any USB-C cable is going to work with this. And then you've got some tips here. Let's pour those out. I always lose these things. I'm so bad about keeping track of these tips. So this is a ring. Looks like a keychain ring, but they don't attach it to the case itself, but that's what the design here is, that you can put this on the case, attach this to your key ring. We've got a couple different tip sizes here. Looks like we've got kind of a large size tip and a small size tip, and then again our key ring, our charging cable, and then here's the case. And I'll tell you what, just the case itself feels tiny. Look at this thing. It really is an itty bitty charging case, which makes sense. I mean, if the earbuds are tiny, there's no reason for the case to be gigantic, but the key ring might be a good idea because I got a feeling people could lose this pretty easily. And there they are. Look at these little tiny earbuds. Oh man, these things are little. And you know, the thing about it is too, is it's one thing for them to be small, but until we see them inside of our ears, you know, a good portion of this, remember, is going to be in the ear, and then the rest of this will kind of go inside the outer ear area. So that's the question. How much do these actually protrude from your ears once you have them in? How inconspicuous are they? But take a look. These things are itty bitty earbuds. This is the JLab JBuds Mini True Wireless Earbuds. And maybe you already have these, maybe you're thinking about buying them, Are you looking for something inconspicuous? Throw a comment down below. I'm curious who's shopping for these, who's interested in these. I do think they look pretty cool, and for the price point here, we're talking about under 50 bucks. You know what? Nice job, JLab. I think they're pretty decent looking earbuds. Haven't tried them out yet, haven't listened to them, but if they sound like other products from JLab, then I'm assuming they'll be pretty good. But there you go. There's the unboxing of the JLab's JBuds Mini True Wireless Earbuds. Hey, make sure you subscribe, guys. If you like geeky videos, nerdy stuff, that's what we do here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. Hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you along for future videos and future unboxings.